Welcome back, my dear learners. Are you ready for something exciting? Today, we're going to take our picture description course to the next level with an amazing video. In this video, we're going to boost your English skills through a fun and easy method: picture description. This video is special because it will help you improve your speaking skills, learn new vocabulary, and master sentence formation, all while describing a beautiful park scene. And guess what? We'll do it step by step in the simplest way possible so you never feel lost. Trust me, this is going to be both enjoyable and super helpful. So, let's get started. You're about to learn something amazing. Let's start by looking at this beautiful picture together. Take a good look at it. What do you see? First, we'll focus on the main character in the picture. Ready? Let's begin. In the center of the picture, we see a boy. This is a boy. He is wearing blue shorts and a white t-shirt. Now what is he doing? That's right, he is playing. So we can say, "The boy is playing. Great job." Let's try saying it again. The boy is playing. Now, let's add a little more detail. What is the boy playing with? Yes, he is playing with a red ball. So we can say, the boy is playing with a red ball. Try saying it with me. The boy is playing with a red ball. Perfect. One more time. The boy is playing with a red ball. Next, let's talk about where the boy is playing. Look around. Where is he? Yes, he is in a park. So now we can say, the boy is playing with a red ball in the park. Let's practice that together. The boy is playing with a red ball in the park. Wonderful. Say it one more time. The boy is playing with a red ball in the park. Now, let's look at the background. Who else is in the picture? Yes, the boy's family is there too. They are sitting together in the park. So we can say, the boy is playing with a red ball in the park, and his family is sitting nearby. Try saying that with me. The boy is playing with a red ball in the park, and his family is sitting nearby. Amazing work. Now that we've talked about the boy playing with the red ball, let's look at the background. What do you see behind the boy? Yes, there are some tall trees and green grass. These trees and grass make the park look very beautiful. Let's describe them step by step. First, look at the trees. They are very tall. We can say, there are tall trees in the park. Try saying it with me. There are tall trees in the park. Great job. One more time. There are tall trees in the park. Next, look at the ground. What color is the grass? Yes, it's green. So we can say, there is green grass in the park. Let's practice together. There is green grass in the park. Perfect. Say it again. There is green grass in the park. Now let's put it all together. We can say there are tall trees and green grass in the park. Try saying it with me. There are tall trees and green grass in the park. Wonderful. One more time. There are tall trees and green grass in the park. Now that we've talked about the boy and the park, let's look at his family sitting nearby. First, we see the father. He is sitting on the grass. We can say, the father is sitting. Great. Next, we see the mother. She is wearing a hijab. So we can say, the mother is wearing a hijab. Wonderful. Now, look at the little sister. She is clapping for the boy. We can say, the sister is clapping. Perfect. Let's add a bit more detail now. The father is sitting comfortably. The mother is smiling while wearing her hijab. And the sister is happily clapping for the boy. Great job. Now, let's learn some new words. Father means dad. Mother means mom. Sister is your younger sibling. Hijab is a headscarf worn by some women. Sight means to rest on the ground. Clap means to hit your hands together to show excitement. And smile means to show happiness with your face. Let's practice these words together. Father, mother, sister, hijab, sit, clap, smile. You're doing amazing. Now that we've talked about the boy, the park, and his family, let's not forget one more cute little detail in this picture. Look closely. Near the family, there is a small cat. First, we can say, there is a cat. Great. Now, where is the cat? The cat is sitting on the ground. So we can say, the cat is sitting on the ground. Wonderful. Let's add a bit more. The cat is sitting quietly and watching everything around it. Isn't that adorable? Now let's learn some new words. Cat is a small, furry animal. Sit means to rest in one place. Quiet means very calm and not making noise. And watch means to look at something carefully. Let's practice these words together. Cat, sit, quiet, watch. Perfect. You're doing so well. Now that we've described the boy, the park, his family, and even the cute little cat, let's put it all together. In this picture, we see a boy playing with a red ball in a park. Behind him, there are tall trees and green grass. His family, father, mother, and sister, are sitting together and smiling. There is also a small cat sitting quietly nearby. What a beautiful scene. Now it's your turn. Try describing this picture in your own words. You can start with, there is a boy, or in the park I see. Take your time and remember, practice makes perfect. Wow, you've done an amazing job today. By describing this picture step by step, you've learned so many new words and sentences. Remember, learning English is like building a house, one brick at a time. Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll see how much progress you've made. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. And if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, you can do it.